Welcome everyone. This is not going to be a scary tech session. My goal is that you leave this video with one practical thing you can use in your classroom right away. AI for teachers to save time, engage students, and stay in control. AI in education is complex. It saves time on admin tasks and aids student learning, but it can also facilitate copying answers. Your role as a teacher is to shape how AI is used for productive outcomes, maintaining control of the learning process. The difference between using AI for cheating and using it for learning is entirely in the prompt. We want to move from write my answer to ask me questions one at a time. The better prompt encourages thinking and active learning. This is your new favorite prompt. Act as a Socratic tutor. Do not give the answer. Ask one question at a time. Help me discover the answer myself. If I get stuck, provide a hint rather than a solution. This structure works across almost every subject. AI can be a great practice partner, encouraging immersive, interactive learning without the fear of judgment. It offers real-time conversation practice, vocabulary review, and low-pressure speaking and role-play opportunities. AI also serves as a reasoning coach. By guiding student inquiry, it helps identify and address misconceptions, provides vocabulary support, and breaks down complex procedures through step-by-step reasoning. In social studies, AI becomes a powerful debate partner. It forces critical evaluation of information, challenging underlying assumptions and requesting evidence. This allows students to practice defending their claims against scrutiny. As a critique partner in art, AI acts as a reflective mirror, empowering students to lead their artistic growth. It can help with brainstorming, critique practice, and visual inspiration without replacing the artist's voice. To save time, leverage AI for routine tasks like differentiation and administrative heavy lifting. It can instantly rewrite complex directions for clarity, generate leveled readings, draft narrative feedback, and create study guides quickly. Tools like Notebook LM allow you to talk directly to your specific documents. Upload your notes or PDFs and ask questions strictly about those sources to avoid hallucinations. You can generate study guides, summaries, or custom audio overviews instantly. Mastering these core ChatGPT basics gives you full control of your AI workspace. Use the plus button for files and images, take screenshots to paste data, organize chats into projects, remember to manage memory and privacy, and try voice mode for hands-free brainstorming. Your next step is simple. Pick one class task, try one Socratic prompt, and save one useful workflow. The goal is not to become an AI expert, but to become the person who knows how to ask better questions.